Welcome to my channel. Today we will see how is market going and what's new in the crypto markets and the crypto world. So today is not so bad day. We can see that Bitcoin price is around $90,200 and other crypto currencies are going not so bad. Not everything is not good, but it seems that the market is recovering slowly after the dips we have previous couple of days. So as you can see, Ethereum is around 3% up in the past 24 hours. The biggest gains in past 24 hours has XRP, and it's around 19%, and in the past 7 days XRP is gained around 56%. This is due to latest news about lawsuit in United States, and people are following about this, but this is not the first time XRP is running up, so it's not unusual this for XRP. As you can see, Cardano is around 1.6% up, Dogecoin about 3%, and I don't know, many of the coins are around 3 to 5 to 10% up in the past 24 hours. But we will see what will happen today and where is market going today. So as you can see, Bitcoin is this low range of $90,000. Now it's around 90,160. It's going up and down in the past couple of months, and the bear market is continuing. Personally, I expect that this will go up sometime. We will see when, but I am expecting Bitcoin to recover a little bit from here. The whole market and the whole situation in the world is bad right now, and every market, every stock market and crypto market also is running not so good. People are scared. Inflation is going up in every country in the world. So if this situation is somehow reverse to not so bad, maybe we will see some Bitcoin rise, and other coins will have to go up alongside with Bitcoin. On the mining side, what do I tell you? Mining is, after the merge of the Ethereum. The mining is almost negative in profits, and every other mineable currency now is not profitable for mining. As you can see, for now, Neoxa is most profitable with minus 0.86 dollars in negative, and this is for every coin. But if you have, this is the cost of price for 0.1 dollar per kilowatt. But if you have, I don't know, maybe some cheaper energy or free energy, maybe for you it will be more profitable to mining these coins. For those people who are still mining, in the moment Neoxa is the number one with profitability. Raven coin is on the second place. Beam is on the third. So you can try maybe Vertcoin or Kaspa or Ethereum Classic, but in the moment every other coin is unprofitable. Difficulty for coins are going down, as you can see. The hash rate is going down for almost every mineable coin due to miners are giving up and they are shutting down their rigs. So I don't know. Personally, as a miner, and I think that the situation will correct soon, and we will again be in some kind of profits. I am expecting at least 3 to 5 mineable coins to go up with price drastically, but we will see what will happen in the future. From the news side, what do I tell you? If you open Cointelegraph and CoinDesk and every other news website, you will see that most of the news is not good. This is with intention to scare people, and this mainstream media is trying to scare people to not use crypto, and that crypto is something bad. But we know that when the news on the mainstream media is bad, then the actual situation will be good, opposite of everything that says mainstream media. One interesting news is that Ethereum miners, this is from CoinDesk, Ethereum miners are dumping Ethereum. I don't know that this is true, but if we see the price of Ethereum in the past couple of days, maybe some of the miners who now do not mine anymore Ethereum, maybe really is dumping some coins on the market, and what to say, Ethereum is now staking coin. Ethereum, I personally do not expect to go up some drastical in the future, because after the merge it's proven that miners were these people who I don't know how to say this, but miners were that people that kept the price of the Ethereum up, and miners were a larger percent of the people who, okay, I fucked up this, but you know my point. Without miners, Ethereum is now just another staking coin, same as Cardano, same as XRP, same as Solana, same as Avalanche, and I expect Ethereum in the future to go down in places of total market cap. There are many coins which blockchain and which usability is more better than Ethereum's. So this is what's happened today. We will see how market will close today, and we are hoping for the best, and that will market go higher than yesterday. So I hope that you are not bothered with my bad English language, and if you find some of the information that I present here useful, and if you like my content, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button, hit the dislike button if you not like this, and see you next time. Bye for now, and have a good day. Bye bye.